Now we are discussing about beauty product that is hydrating sheet mask. While using hydrating sheet mask means for the mask it is a facial mask. So hydrating sheet mask will always reduce the blackness of the head and as well as not head face blackness of the head and as well as so many other pimples and rednesses and scars and all these also it will be removed and it is very fresh. Skin will be very fresh and a new look will be there to the, especially in that mask. So vitamins and all types of oils, edible oils will be there, so that your skin will be nourishing very well. That is the information. So in that also, in the medical world, so many hydrating sheet masks are there. We can discuss all those. What is a sheet mask? Like the name suggests, a sheet mask is a sheet made of out of fiber, cotton, pulp or gel that has holes cut out for your eyes, nose and lips and resembles a mask. People then tend to confuse sheet masks with face masks. Sheet masks are powder or pastes that need to be applied on the face as a thick layer and washed off when it has dried. And next is how do you use a sheet mask? Even though it might seek like a sheet mask, is fairly easy to use. Following the right steps during its application will help you get the most out of your sheet mask. Before you apply a sheet mask, it is very important to make sure you have a clean face mask that has no traces of makeup, oil, dirt or any impurities. Face cleaning will help the serum from the sheet mask get absorbed in your skin better. So especially ladies will use facial sheet masks very well, because especially those who want to marry early, not early, those who want to marry before their marriage, they will take very good beauty tips. That also sheet masks will be useful to black eggs and red symbols will be there by so many areas of the face, and pimples also and scars also will be there. All these will be removed and your skin and face will be very fair by those uses, because it is having so many types of vitamins, minerals, gels and pulps and so many other things also will be added in that. So many types of sheet mask, hydrating sheet masks are there. So all these will be useful certain extent. But those who are working hard and they are having a break of that also, they can use it very well to clear their face and to clear their blackness and some wrinkles also. Next point is hydrating sheet mask for dry skin. One of the most common benefits of a sheet mask is the intense boost of hydration it provides to your skin. If you are on the search of a sheet mask for dry skin, get yourself a hydrating sheet mask. You can try the Garnier Hydra Balm Pomegranate Serum Sheet Mask for your dry skin woes. And next point is oil control sheet mask for oily and or acne prone skin. Apart from dealing with excess oil or sebum production, people with oily skin are also prone to acne. Only oily skin tends to have large open pores that easily trap dirt, impurities, sweat, etc. that cause breakouts. Sheet masks for oily skin help in controlling the extra oil production and reducing the resulting acne. A good sheet mask for oily skin should help get rid of the excess sebum without drying your skin out. Next point is brightening sheet mask for dull skin with spots. Stress, poor lifestyle habits and overexposure to the sun for prolonged periods are some of the few ways in which your skin can develop spots or become dull and tired looking over time. Your skin lacks the glow it once had and has a lackluster appearance. A brightening sheet mask might just be what you are looking for. And the next point is detoxifying sheet mask. For clogged pores, pollution, sweat and dirt can clog up your pores and make your complexion look dull and worn out over time. Looking for a sheet mask that will target these impurities and help unclog your pores. Sheet masks for clogged pores and dull skin can also work on reducing the size of your pores and minimizing its appearance. Anti-aging sheet mask for mature skin. Appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, loss of your skin's bones and firmness, and an improvement in the texture of your skin are some of the visible signs of your skin's aging process. Don't wait to see the signs of aging on your skin before starting a good anti-aging skincare routine. Next point is hydraulic acid combats the signs of aging by retaining the moisture in your skin. Improved moisture retention in the skin helps improve your skin's elasticity and firmness and also diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. The Garnier Ageless White Serum sheet mask is infused with grapeseed extract and hydraulic acid. These powerful ingredients work together to reduce the appearance of wrinkles while firming up your skin. This is the information regarding sheet masks. Hydrating sheet masks will be heavily useful for ladies, especially those who are bridegrooms and can use it very well. It will give some fairness to their face. Wishing you all the best.